26 to left-handers, but he just seems more comfortable when the ball's turning back in and hitting the stumps. The left-hander, you've seen most deliveries not attacking the stumps. Reverse sweep, no run. 15 overs done, it's 51 for 1. Yeah, just a solitary wicket so far. Nouman Ali has got through 7 overs and he just seems to be getting into rhythm.
No man in the deep on the onside. The three fielders short mid-wicket. Silly mid-on and mid-off, which is quite close. Looking to stop the single, and now Nouman asks the fielder at mid-off to come closer. Soft hands. That's what you need to play with, soft hands. You push at the ball, especially from the line of the stumps, you can be in trouble. And he did beautifully well. There you go, played it with soft hands. Kill the ball, put it down.
Yeah, Nouman Ali has called for the mid-off to come in. It's still sort of hovering. There's still the situation where Molder can push to mid-off and get off strike. Mid-on is in. That's almost a single saving position. Mid-off not so. In the air, horse doesn't carry.
He's too deep. Would have been an easy catch if he would have been at a normal point field position. The ball bounced a little bit, played it in the air. There you go. Could have been an easy catch for Hassan Ali if he would have been a little closer, because he's also looking to save boundary. You're not going to save boundary from there. You rather come